everyone, this is Amin right here from Aminate Media, bringing you this tutorial from a request made from one of my students on WhatsApp, requesting to have a colored photo changed to this particular color. He was the one who actually submitted this photo, so I'm going to teach us how to turn a colored picture into this old type picture, old looking picture. In the olden time, this color is actually called sepia. That's the functionality that is used to make those pictures those days. All right, so this picture we're going to do a color manipulation now, and if it's what you want to learn, stay with me. Alright, welcome back. We'll start immediately to start turning this picture. If your picture is not in RGB format, you can do as well to turn it to RGB format. But the first thing we're going to do right now to turn this colored picture to start looking like a sepia color, which is looking like an old picture, is to go to bitmap. Once you go to bitmap, you go to effect. What you want to do is go to adjust, then turn the desaturation. Click on desaturation. All right, so that it takes all the color out and make it black and white, or you can call it a gray color. So once that is done, what you want to do next is go to your effect again, effect or effects, anywhere you call it. You understand what I mean? We have to choose the color balance, all right, so that we start manipulating this photo right now. So actually, it has already taken the previous trial I did with some other picture, and it applied it to this and giving us an old picture already. But I'm going to reset it so that you know what I did. So once you have turned it to a gray color, which is black and white, you have to start manipulating the picture. Actually, sometimes if you click here, it can give you the old version of the picture versus the new version of the picture. That's the before and after. So if you're manipulating, you know what it's looking like. But we can still toggle back and maybe, but let's leave it like this. You can turn off the highlight if you want. I don't know if it affects anything, but let me turn it off. So the first thing you need to do is to increase the cyan red. This place that is written the color channel, the cyan red. You have to increase it to the red. Just drag the, what's it called, the button or the knob to the red angle, to the right side, which is the right side. So once you're dragging it, it's not changing. Let me click on preview because I want to be seeing it. So you see it's changing right now. You can do, you can actually do, let's do like 45. All right, we can tweak it until we get what we want. You know, we are looking at this picture right here, so let me shift it a bit so that we'll be seeing it very well. Now you have to change, take this particular side of the color channel, which is the yellow and blue, taking it to the yellow side so that it start looking warmed like this old picture right here. So if I'm shifting it, you're looking at the preview, see it's changing to the sepia color. You can tweak it till you get what you want. This is too much, so you can keep tweaking it. Once you keep tweaking it, you're getting what you want. You see, it's we can leave it, actually we can leave it like this and press OK. If I toggle here to give me one screen, we have that. So we have this picture looking like an old picture, and that is how simple it is to turn a colored picture of these days to look like an old picture, and it's called sepia. All right, so If you found this video very interesting, I'd like you to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help this channel grow. And don't forget to hit the notification button to get notifications when we post new videos that will help you out. See you in the next video, guys.